Hello children, welcome back. Now I am taking 10th class Telangana State Syllabus, first chapter real numbers. So before going to that, let us discuss about a proverb. The proverb here is, do not cry over spilt milk. Usually what we do children, if you have anything wrong, this is actually in the kitchen, your mother feels for it. If the milk got boiled and came out of the vessel, that is called spilt milk, we feel very sorry. Arey, what happened, why it has we have lost all the milk. This proverb is dealing with the things what we do. See children, to err is human. Of course, this is one more proverb. That means every human being at one time or the other, they do the mistake. But the thing is, if you identify your mistake and if you think that it is a mistake which I should never do again, then don't repent upon what you have done. Lost is lost. What you have done is done. If you keep on repenting upon what you have done, you are not going to get a good feeling or good life children further. Don't repent again and again, but learn a lesson from what the mistake that you have done. After learning that lesson, do not do that mistake at any time and keep on thinking yourself, correcting yourself. That way you can really become a very good citizen. Okay children, let us come back to our topic. This is about 10th class Telangana State Syllabus, 10th class real numbers. In these real numbers, I am going to do this part, exponential. The other day I have done that exercise, I have finished, no? Now, exponentials revised. Exponentials. We are going to talk about exponentials. What are these exponentials? And you have got in previous class also about base and exponents and powers. So suppose if I have written 2 cube. What is this 2 called as children? It is called as base. And this is called as power or exponent. You call it as power or exponent. Sometimes you even call it as index. What do you understand by this children? 2 cube means what? You have to multiply 2 3 times. This power indicates how many times you have to multiply the base. Okay children. So this is a small explanation. 2 is called base, 3 is called power, or you can call it as exponent, or you can even call it as index. And the power indicates that so many times you need to multiply that. Okay. Now, you have already learned certain laws. Let us talk about laws. Laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. One by one we will deal. The first one is a to the power of m into a to the power of n. Bases are same and you are multiplied. You have to add the powers. A to the power of m plus n. When you are adding the same bases, when you are multiplying, power should be added. Next, a to the power of m by a to the power of n. In this case, what you are doing? Bases are same and you are dividing. So, powers should be subtracted. Next, suppose you have got 2 numbers a and b are having same power at m. That means what? A to the power of m and b to the power of m. Means what? within the bracket what all the numbers are there, the power belongs to each and every number. Whole, we call it as AB whole to the power of m. When you are calling it as whole, what means, what do you mean by that? A is having this power m and B is also having this power m. Now, suppose you have got A by B whole to the power of m. How will you write this, children? A to the power of m by B to the power of m. Okay, this is the property. Next, A to the power of m whole to the power of n is nothing but A to the power of mn. You have to multiply this. How will you read this, children? A to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to A to the power of mn. Next, sixth one, A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Means for children, any number to the power of 0 is equal to 1. If you write a big number like this and you keep a power 0, that means its value is nothing but 1. Next, seventh property, A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by A to the power of m. When you have power with a negative sign, you have to write reciprocal of it. This already you have studied in your previous class, children. But once if you recollect it, then we can go to the other topics. Copy them. Now, we will be dealing with the next topic. What is the next topic here, children? The next topic is about do these sums you have got in page 18. You have got do these sums in page 18. So what are these do these sums? First one, they are asking you to evaluate. Evaluate. You have to find the value of it. First one, 2 to the power of 1. Means what? You have to take 2 only once. So the answer is 2. That's all. Second one, 4.73 whole to the power of 0. I said no, any number to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 is the answer for it. Next, third bit, 0 cube. 0 cube. 0 you multiply any times, you'll be getting 0 only. So that is the answer for the third bit. And fourth bit, 5 by 4 whole square. Means what, children? It is 5 square by 4 square. How much is 5 square by 4 square? 25 by 16 is the answer for this fourth problem. Now, we have another bit. Fifth one, 1 by 4 whole square. Means 4 1 ja 4 1 5. 5 by 4 whole square. Same as that of this, that is 5 square by 4 square, that is 25 by 16 is the answer. So these are the problems that are given here, children. Right. So first problem in this, do this we have completed, and let us see the second one. Second one, you have got 2 bits. First A bit, express 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000 and 1 lakh in exponential form. So first bit we will take 10. 10 in exponential form. That is, you can write 10 to the power of 1. Next, you have got 100. Second bit 100. 100 can be written as 10 square. Then the third bit is 1000. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. After 1, 3 zeros. Fourth bit is 10,000. This is nothing but 10 to the power of 4. And fifth bit, 1 lakh. That means 10 to the power of 5. So these are the bits which we have done in the second problem, A bit. Now, second problem, B bit we will be doing. What is this B bit, children? Express the following products in the simplest exponential form. Simplest exponential form. You have to make it. What is the first bit, children? 16 into 64. So, when you take 16, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. So, 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 into 64. 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. How much? 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means how much, children? 2 to the power of 4 plus 6, 2 to the power of 10 is the answer for this first bit. So I hope you have understood, children. And the second bit, 25 into 125. So 25, what you will do, children? 5 5s are. So you can write 5 square into 125. 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 5s are. So how much you are getting? 5 cube. So bases are same and multiplied power should be added. 5 to the power of 2 plus 3, 5 to the power of 5 is your answer. Now you have got the second problem, third bit. What is the third bit? 128 divided by 32. So 128. 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. How many children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 3, 6, 1, 7. 2 to the power of 7 divided by 32. So 32 from here, if you said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power of 5. That means 2 to the power of 7 by 2 to the power of 5. Bases are same and you are dividing. Power should be subtracted. 7 minus 5. 2 square. That means 4 is the answer. Answer for this problem. I hope you have understood, children. Copy it. Now, I have finished this. Do this sums, children. Now, let us see the next part. That is exponentials and logarithms. Exponentials and logarithms. So exponentials already I have told you. So let us write what is meant by logarithm. This is first time you are listening about this logarithm in 10th class, children. Logarithm means the exponent. The exponent that indicates. The exponent that indicates the power to which a base number is to be raised. The base number is to be raised to produce a given number. This is the definition, children. You will understand this definition when I explain it with an example. If I take example, 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. I have already done it in the previous topic where we have got 32 means 2 to the power of 5. 2 5 times when you multiply, you will get 32. This we call it as exponential form. Exponential form. We call it as exponential form because you have got a base and power. This if you want to write as a logarithmic form. Logarithmic form. How will you write? You have to write log 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5. Log 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5. This is what you have to study. Read it. Log 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5. A logarithm form can be converted into exponential form. An exponential form can be converted into logarithmic form. See, 2 to the power of 5 is 32, exponential form. Log 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5 is logarithmic form. So let us come back to the definition. The exponent that indicates the power, exponent that indicates the power to which the base has to be raised. This is the answer, no? This is considered as the exponent that indicates the power to which a base number to be raised to produce a given number. The given number is 32. So to get a 32, what you have to do? This base should be raised to power. Writing of this is called logarithmic form. Once again, I will read the definition. The exponent that indicates the power to which the base number is to be raised. The exponent that indicates the power to which the base to be raised to get the indicated number. This is about logarithm form, children. So, the general definition here is, what you are understanding from this, children, 2 is raised to the power of 5. Here that to be raised means 2 is raised to the power of 5 to get 32. The general definition which you have got in your textbook is definition: if A and N. If A and N are positive numbers. If A and N are positive numbers such that A is not equal to 1. A is not equal to 1. We define logarithm as log n to the base A is equal to x. Log n to the base A is equal to x. Log n to the base A is equal to x. X is what? Power of this. So, write down this, children, as the definition. Then we will proceed with the problems. Next, we will be going to the next part. This is page 21. You have got in page 21, do these sums. So, first one is write in logarithmic form. Logarithmic form. So, first problem given to you is 7 is equal to 2 to the power of x. How will you write, children, this? 2 to the power of x is equal to 7. When you are writing this same as a log 7 to the base 2 is equal to x. Log 7 to the base 2 is equal to x. And the next second one, 10 is equal to 5 to the power of b. What does this implies? 5 to the power of b is equal to 10. When you are writing in logarithmic form, log 10 to the base 5 is equal to b. This bit. Now go to the third bit. Third bit is 1 by 81 is equal to 3 to the power of c. Means 3 to the power of c is 1 by 81. When you are writing log 1 by 81 to the base 3 is equal to c. Log of this number to the base this is equal to this. You have to understand this, children. Next, fourth bit. What is the fourth bit? 100 is equal to 10 to the power of x. Means 10 to the power of x is equal to 100. This implies that means log 100 to the base 10 is equal to x. Next, fifth bit. Fifth bit is 1 by 257 is equal to 4 to the power of a. Means what, children? 4 to the power of a is equal to 1 by 257. So when you are writing log 1 by 257 to the base 4 is equal to a. So this is how you are going to write, convert the exponential forms into logarithmic forms. So I hope you have followed, children. Please copy that. Next, we will go to the same, do this sums, second one. Write the following in exponential form. So you have to write the given numbers as exponential form. The first one is log 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. How will you write, children? 10 to the power of 2 is equal to 100. This implies. This is exponential form. This is the answer. Now, second bit, log 25 to the base 5 is equal to 2. What does this implies? 5 square is equal to 25 is the answer. So 5 square is equal to 25. Now, the third bit, log 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1. What does this implies? 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. This is your answer. Now, fourth bit, x is equal to log 9 to the base 2. This can also be written as log 9 to the base 2 is equal to x. What does this implies? 2 to the power of x is equal to 9. This is the answer of this problem. So with this, you have completed, do this, children. But here, in the same page, you have tried this to some children. These are also very important. So first bit is you have to find, solve this set. Very important, children. This kind of sums you are getting. Log 32 to the base 2 is equal to x. You have to solve. Solve means you have to find the value of x. So first you convert it into exponential form. 2 to the power of x is equal to 32. That means what, children? 2 to the power of x means 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. We know already we have done 2 5 times. If you multiply 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. That means what? 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 5. Or if you want in a simplified way to do, what you do, if you have any doubt, 32, 2 ones are 2 six are, 2 eights are, 2 fours are, 2 twos are. So 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. So log 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5 is the answer. Very important, children, this kind of questions. Second bit. Log 625 to the base 5 is equal to y. So take 625, children. 5. First you write exponential form. 5 to the power of y is equal to 625. That means 5 to the power of y is equal to 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 fives are, 5 twos are, 5 fives are. So 5 fives are. So how much you are getting? 5 to the power of 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4. This is the answer. You have got the value of log 625 to the base 5 is 4. Now, when you go to the third bit is log 10,000 to the base 10 is equal to z. Means what, children? 10 to the power of z is 10,000. That means 10 to the power of z is 10 to the power of 4. So 4 zeros, so 4 you have written, z is equal to 4. This is the answer. So if identifying the value, so solving it is very important, children. Copy this. Exponential form and basic form. So I hope I am clear with what I have done up to here, children. Now I will be doing the next part in the next class.